Hi, Kelly. Welcome to the most boring vlog you've ever seen. Hi, Oliver. Doesn't he look like a little lamb? We're watching the Coachella live stream, except it's not live anymore. Oh, that's cool. We're cooking our leftovers because we had a cookout the other day at Stone Mountain. Yeah, boy! Bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Cloudy today. Hello, cloudies. Okay, Kelly, so we're on La Vista. There's IHOP. There's a Target at North Lake, and they're doing all this construction. They're bringing so many cool new stores. There's going to be a Dick's. There's going to be a Sprouts Farmers Market. There's also going to be an Einstein's, which I'm addicted to. A Caribou Coffee, which I'm addicted to. And a Jimmy John's.
Which you're addicted to.
Which I'm addicted to. I'm so excited. I could not be more excited. It's going to be perfect. By the way, Hassan's going to Georgia State, which means that we'll actually get to utilize this shopping center. Congrats, Hassan.
Thank you. Charger.
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 Love boat.
Love out. Bye.
Oh shit.
Fuck yeah. Kelly, a couple weeks ago, it's raining. Oh my god. Part of the highway here collapsed. It was like a bridge and it collapsed. So traffic has been kind of crazy. But literally every single day since then, there has been some road with some issue with one of the major roads here in Atlanta. There have been oil spills, there have been crashes. Georgia State had to delay the start until 10 a.m. today because both lanes were blocked on one of the major roads near the school. And by major roads, I mean like 75, 85, 285, 20, etc. Today, part of 20 apparently buckled, and it just literally looks like Vegeta came and like slammed the ground. And it's all like, a few weeks ago, wow, this is distracting. A truck of foam Braves Tomahawks opened up and spilled foam Braves Tomahawks all over the road, and they had to close the road. There's been a different issue every day. There have been tornadoes, there have been earthquakes, the apocalypse is starting, and it's beginning in Atlanta. Hello, Kelly. We're walking the dogs. They're being very good boys. They're good boys. Come on. Come on. Round 2. There's Becky. We have to take him separately because him and Oliver don't behave when they're together. Oliver doesn't totally behave when he's alone, but he's small, so it doesn't matter. Baxter's harder to deal with when he's not behaving. Say hi, Hassan.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Pretty good.
You having a good day?
Yeah, just eating sunflower seeds.
See how far you can spit one.
Aw.
Amazing. What's your favorite part about today?
Watching Marshmallow.
That was awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye to Kelly.
Bye, Kelly.
Say bye to Travis.
Bye, Travis.
Say bye to Kelly again.
Bye, Kelly. Bye, Travis.
Look at that tooth. Whose tooth is that? That's a nice tooth.
Every time you do that, he wags his tail.
Good night.
tooth.